Hi, welcome to The Shed, and in this episode we're going to talk about secondary 2/5s. A secondary 2/5s is just like a secondary dominant where you're temporarily moving to a new key area. You're tonicizing a new key. And it's just like secondary dominants, but now you're just adding the 2 instead of the 5. So let's look at this chord progression. This is like a standard jazz chord progression. I just made it up, but it follows the rules of secondary dominance. So this is in the key of F, and this would be the 1 chord. Now, in the key of F, C is not a minor 7. C would be a dominant 7. In the key of F, F is not a dominant 7. But in the key of F, B flat is major 7, and it's the 4. So let's figure out what we know, and then let's move backwards. So this is a 4 chord. Now, F7. Let's look at the relationship between F7 and B flat. F7, it's an F dominant 7. It has to be a 5 of something. So B flat, C, D, E, yep. F7 is the 5 of 4. So we'll write it out as the 5 of 4. Now, the secondary 2/5 adds the 2 chord. So now check this one out. C minor 7 is the 2 chord in the key of B flat. So this is the 2 of 4. So we have the 2 of 4, 5 of 4 to the 4 chord. Now we have an E minor 7 flat 5, which is in the key of F, but that moves to A dominant 7 flat 9, and that moves to a D minor 7. This is a 2-5-1, and it ends on a minor. Now, a 2 chord in harmonic minor is minor 7 flat 5. So this is a 2-5-1. They're all a fourth away, but the 1 chord is D minor. What is D minor in the key of F? D minor is the 6th chord in the key of F, okay? This is the 5 of 6, and this is the 2 of 6. So secondary 2/5s, very similar to secondary dominants. You're just adding in that 2 chord.